Hi everyone. At C Lambda, we just can't stop building. Last week we introduced our voice assistant, Echo Pilot. If you missed it, check out the video linked above. This week we are excited to showcase our newest tool, Pixel Edit. Pixel Edit makes image editing simple, no need to wrestle with complex software like Photoshop or GIMP. Here are 4 things you can already do with Pixel Edit. You can remove unwanted elements from an image without affecting the rest of it. Let's select one image. We say the object we want to remove. There you go. Another use case is to replace one object for another with just a few clicks. So let's select one picture here, for instance, these flowers. We want to use flowers and vase. Then let's select the destination image. And we want to replace it with these flowers. Then we click replace. And we get the replace. The third use case is changing colors of an object in the image. Let's select another image, for instance, this one. Then we select the different objects we want to change the color. And you see they're already set to red, but we can change it to green or also blue or yellow. And finally, you can generate a new object in an image, replacing existing ones. So let's select again another picture, one with the flowers, and let's change the flowers and replace them with some red roses with a vase. Click generate, and we get the right result. We believe Pixel Edit can be a game changer for businesses in all kinds of fields, event planning, photography, interior design, and more. We are just getting started, and we are building more features as we speak. We want to hear from you. What do you think of Pixel Edit? What would make it more useful for you? Drop your ideas in the comments or reach out at hello@clambda.com. We'd love to chat with you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more updates from the lab.